What is the best way to get rid of a cough? Hello, my name is Lam Singh Root. I'm the pharmacist in charge at NowRx Pharmacy. One of the questions that we get a lot at the pharmacy is what to do with a sore throat or a cough that won't go away. Well, there's several things that you can buy over the counter that will help with that. You can get lozenges that will help soothe your throat, and also you can get liquids like Robitussin that can suppress the cough, or you can take several steamy showers that will help soothe your throat. If you have any more questions, give us a call at NowRx Pharmacy or email us at info@nowrx.com.